Welcome, here I've got CYRUS CS40 and I'm gonna show you how to turn on and off the camera location text at this device. So at first we have to tap on the camera button here to open this app. And as you can see, for now we are in the standard photo mode, so let's go to more advanced options. We can do it by tapping on this button here at the left corner at the bottom. And as you can see, it gives us access to the advanced camera settings. Now we are in the general settings. As you can see, at the first position we have the GPS location info. So by using this button we can easily turn off and turn on saving location info of our picture. So this is how it works here. And also the important information is that when we really want to save the actual location of our picture, to make it work correctly, we have to be connected with the internet, for example with the Wi-Fi, and we have to turn on the location of this device. So remember about these two parameters to make it work. And now let's go back to the camera and take a photo. And now let's go here to the right corner at the bottom. By tapping on this we get quick access to the gallery, so this is our picture. And when we tap on this here at the right corner, we get access to the details of the picture. And here we can easily check the location of our photo. So greetings from Krakow, this is how it works. Thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.